If you want to build some serious strength and size in your arms, then you need to make sure that you're balancing bicep and tricep training. This is an excellent introduction into tricep extension work that we use in the UMS that's going to help balance all those bicep curls that you're doing.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
One of the biggest mistakes that people make with arm training is that they don't train the biceps and triceps in a 1-to-1 ratio. Favoring the biceps because they're the mirror muscles. They're the muscles that we see in the mirror. This causes so many problems in the arms, and basically it leaves you open to a risk of injury. So it's really important that you nail the correct technique for tricep extensions as well, and you do a 1-to-1 bicep to tricep ratio. So that means if you do 5 sets of 8 reps on your biceps, you need to do 5 sets of 8 reps on your triceps in the same workout as well. This is a very important thing in order to balance your body, not just for the look, to have symmetry in your body, but also for function. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video, because I'm going to teach you 3 coaching cues that are going to make sure that you nail the right technique and develop really strong arms and a symmetrical body. If you like our content and want expert coaching, I'd love to invite you inside our free Facebook coaching community, where the whole Unity team and myself hang out, go live, and drop feedback to keep you progressing. Just search UMS Movement Mastermind in Facey, hit join, and I'll even give you access to my incredible 20-minute flexibility routine as a welcome gift. Supine Neutral Grip Dumbbell Tricep Extension. We use the supine neutral grip dumbbell tricep extension in phase 1 of the UMS as it builds strength and flexibility in the tricep in a safe position before moving further into shoulder flexion in later phases of the UMS. To set up, simply lay down on a bench, feet under your knees and arms extended in front of you. Keep your shoulders back and down and your thumbs at the end of the dumbbells. This position ensures you are able to access full range of motion without the dumbbell hitting your shoulder prematurely. Ensure that your upper arm stays vertical at all times. The only movement happens from the elbow and through the forearm and hand. Once set up, the 3 coaching cues to think of are: set your shoulders back and down, keep your upper arm still, be intentional with end ranges. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If we haven't met, my name is Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the co-founders of Unity Gym and the Unified Movement System, or UMS. Right now, you're here watching our free content on YouTube. And since you've already come this far, I can tell you're serious about getting strong, flexible, and fit. But if you're ready to level up, our free Facebook coaching group is exactly what's going to help you do just that. Not only can you ask questions and post videos for feedback from us, I'll also give you one of my most popular and effective programs, the 20-minute flexibility routine, as a gift for joining our tribe. See, despite our combined 50 years of training at an elite level, despite how much quality content we give away on YouTube, at some point, your progression will come to a grinding halt due to limiting factors that are unique to you alone. Honestly, it's not your fault. You haven't done anything wrong. But our tribe is a testament that having an expert look at what you're doing and help you to break through plateaus is simply game-changing. So whether you want to get more flexible, stronger, fitter, or learn some awesome calisthenics moves, or even just perfect your squat technique, we can help you get there faster and safer. Oh, and before you go, if you haven't already, smash those like buttons and subscribe buttons. It goes a really long way to supporting our channel and helps us keep putting out the content we do. And if you prefer to listen, search any podcast platform for Sound of Movement to listen to our amazing interviews with coaches and experts in their field. Well, that's it. I'm looking forward to meeting you in the UMS Movement Mastermind Facebook group. See you soon.